stage mom kasi siya eh.
Mother knows best and mother deserves the best. Your dream or your wish for your mom na hindi mo pa natutupad. So, I will start to.
Hi, I am Brian. I'm part of a podcast called Life Over Whiskey. Co-host po ako doon. And napakaganda ng question mo. Actually, marami pa akong gustong gawin sana with not just overall my mom, but also my family as well. No? Pero kung pag-usapan natin sa mom, I am very close to my mother. Habang lumalaki ako, lagi siyang sumusuporta. At lagi, kumbaga stage mom kasi siya eh. So lahat ng gagawin ko sa buhay, siya lagi yun nandyan, actively supporting and making sure na lahat ng kailangan ko nandyan.
Nice.
So ang pangarap ko talaga, actually sinet ko to eh, 2025 by next year, we will have a family vacation out of the country. Ang sitwasyon kasi namin sa family is yung dalawang kong kapatid is living na abroad, Ireland and Australia. So parang the goal is to bring them together. Para mag-reunion kami kasi parang 2018 yung isang kapatid ko. And then last year, nag-migrate na rin yung isang kapatid ko. So I wanted to bring the family together once again.
That's nice.
Tsaka syempre,
mas masaya yun sa mother. Masaya
yes,
for your mom.
And my mom has been working so hard ever since I was a kid. I feel like it's about time for her to relax, unwind. Not that she's not able to do that, pero alam mo yun, yung parang, okay na ako anak. Parang ganun sana ipakaramdam.
As a mom, that would be great. Yeah, I have 5 children, but yung apat medyo may kanya-kanyang buhay na.
Kanya-kanyang buhay, oo.
So, ngayon yung second ko nasa Australia. Tapos, basta, kahit nandito sila sa Japan, lahat, hindi ko sila nag-gather, like, andito lang kami lahat as in Tokyo. Hirap nilang i-gather lahat. So, the last time we're all together, my birthday, 50th birthday pa, is like 2 years ago. So, imagine that. Nandito lang naman kami sa Tokyo.
Isang lugar lang din kayo.
Isang lugar lang kami. So, yun. That's good idea for...
It's just really to bring the family together and have my mom experience, new things in life na maybe dahil sa tagal niyang pag-aasikaso, pag-aaruga sa amin, I think she deserves that.
Yeah, mother knows best and mother deserves the best.
The best.
Thank you.
Thank you.